January 2026. If you believe the headlines of tech blogs, the era of combustible fuel is officially a thing of the past. The world is obsessed with solid-state batteries, silent EVs, and ecological indices. But let's come back down to earth, or more accurately, let's peer into the engine rooms of those who truly move this planet. While you're charging your smartphone, somewhere in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, a single revolution of a crankshaft burns as much fuel as your family car would use in a month of active driving. In 2026, diesel is not the dirty past. It is the only way to deliver 90% of the world's goods to your doorstep. Today on Maxi Five, we are entering the league of absolute heavyweights. We will show you monsters whose weight is measured in thousands of tons and whose power reaches six-digit figures. You will get answers to three key questions. What is the physical limit of power for a man-made piston system? Why does diesel remain the most efficient mechanism on Earth in the era of the green agenda? And which engine is officially recognized as the largest and most powerful artificial heart in history? Fasten your seatbelts. We are starting the countdown, from mega dump trucks to the masters of the ocean. Before we move on to our list, it's important to understand the basics. Why diesel specifically? It all comes down to energy density. In 2026, even the most advanced lithium batteries are 50 times inferior to diesel fuel in terms of energy per kilogram of weight. The thermal efficiency, of modern marine diesels has surpassed the 50% mark. For comparison, your gasoline engine at best delivers 35%, sending the rest of the heat into the atmosphere. Today, diesel giants are high-tech laboratories. They are transitioning to synthetic fuels, ammonia, and hydrogen, maintaining their iron power while becoming cleaner. This is the foundation of civilization, which simply cannot be replaced by batteries. In fifth place is the only representative of ground-based mobile machinery. Meet the Caterpillar C17520. This is the heart of the world's most powerful mining truck, the Cat 797F. If you thought a V12 was a lot, this one has 20 cylinders with a total output of 4,800 horsepower. The unit itself weighs over 10 tons. Just one oil filter on this beast is the size of a full-grown human. This engine powers a machine that carries 400 tons of ore. It's like deciding to carry 3 blue whales on your back. Why aren't there electric motors here? To provide the same level of autonomy using batteries, the truck would have to tow a trailer of accumulators weighing an additional 150 tons. Here, diesel is a matter of business survival. A tip from Maxi Five: if you ever find yourself at a mine in Australia or Chile, just listen. That low rumble is the sound of the metal for your new smartphone being unearthed. Fourth place brings us to the railroads. The EMD 710 series. It's a two-stroke monster with an output of 5,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, two-stroke. In a world where everyone has moved to four-stroke cycles, electromotive diesel remains loyal to its tradition. Why? Because a two-stroke cycle delivers monstrous torque, almost right from the bottom end. The displacement of each individual cylinder here is 11.6 liters. That's more than the entire engine displacement of a top-tier heavy-duty pickup truck. These engines are the champions of serviceability. The design allows a technician to replace a cylinder power assembly right on the go, without ever removing the engine from the locomotive. In 2026, this remains the primary backbone of freight transportation in the US and Canada. It is thanks to this diesel that the cost of overland shipping stays dirt cheap. Opening our top 3 is the aristocrat among workhorses, the MTU 8000. It is the world's most powerful high-speed diesel engine. While the previous heroes of our list relied on sheer mass, the MTU wins through sheer technology. 13,600 horsepower. It is installed on military frigates, high-speed ferries, and mega yachts over 100 meters long. Its standout feature is its power-to-weight ratio. It delivers incredible force within relatively modest dimensions and a weight of 45 tons. Here, engineers fought for every single kilogram. The engine is equipped with a highly sophisticated sequential turbocharging system. It is the choice for those who don't just need to move a load, but need to do it fast. like delivering a landing craft to its destination at a speed of 40 knots. This is the absolute peak of the luxury and defense sectors. The mid-roll hook. But before we move on to the two main titans, whose scale is simply mind-blowing, a quick check-in. If you've watched this far, it means you're one of us, those who appreciate pure engineering power. On the Maxi Five channel, we don't just make top lists, we search for the limits of human capability. If you don't want to miss our breakdown of nuclear icebreakers and mining monsters coming in future episodes, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. For you, it's just one click. But for the growth of this channel and our search for exclusive footage, it's high-octane fuel. Subscribed? Legends. And now, get ready. We are entering the 100,000 plus zone. We are moving into the League of Gods. Second place. The MAN BMW G95 MEC. At this level, the power figures start to defy comprehension. 103,000 horsepower. This is an 11-cylinder giant that serves as the gold standard for modern transoceanic container ships. The engine stands 12 meters high. That is a 4-story building that lives, breathes, and pushes thousands of tons of steel through the fiercest storms. This motor is particularly fascinating because of its smart internals. The MEC system is entirely electronically controlled. It monitors fuel injection and valve timing with millisecond precision to achieve perfect combustion. This is the engine that made global trade possible. Without it, your sneakers from Asia would cost 5 times more. And finally, first place, the absolute champion, a name known by every engineer on the planet, the Wärtsilä-Sulzer RTA96-C. This is not just an engine, it is a monument to human genius. Height, 13.5 meters. Length, 27 meters. Power, 108,920 horsepower. Just wrap your head around these numbers. The crankshaft of this monster weighs 300 tons. A single piston weighs more than your crossover SUV. It consumes 6,200 liters of fuel per hour. But the most striking thing isn't the power, it's the efficiency. Its thermal efficiency exceeds 51%. To this day, it remains the most efficient way to convert fossil fuel into energy. In 2026, this engine remains the gold standard that everyone else strives to reach. It is the heart of the world's largest vessels, such as the Emma Maersk, and it beats at a speed of just 100 revolutions per minute, slowly but relentlessly. Summing it all up, one thing is certain. The rumors of diesel's death have been greatly exaggerated. We have witnessed an evolution spanning from 4 to 100,000 horsepower. But what comes next? The forecast for 2026 is this. We will no longer see a simple race for horsepower. The new records will be set in sustainability. The leaders of our list, Wärtsilä and MAN, will launch the first commercial voyages powered by clean ammonia and hydrogen. The giants are adapting. They are becoming hybrid, digital, and autonomous. But their iron heart remains the same. Today, we've touched true power. Which of these titans impressed you the most? Just imagine the sound of a Wärtsilä starting up. It's not just a rumble, it's the vibration of the earth itself. Write in the comments, do you believe that electric motors will ever be able to replace these monsters in the ocean, or is diesel here to stay? Give us a like if you love massive machinery. Subscribe to Maxi Five so you don't miss our next top list. We'll be breaking down 5 mega machines of the future that are already operational today. Hit the bell icon to be the first to know. This was Maxi.